This is a quick video, and mo fẹ́ fi 1 or 2 points mi lẹ̀ lórí Madam Joko àti Wonola. Sherry, first to begin with, ni pé a lot of people are very, very unfair. Let's take it like that. When it comes to Omo Wonola, I don't know, bí àwọn ti ní personal vendetta ni o, àbí wọ́n ti ní, because I heard this Wonola's voice note to Buki TV. And I'm like, let's be honest and let's be frank. Don't let us get this confused. First thing first, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì. We never thought it's going to escalate like that. A kò mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn yín sí ni torí pé wọ́n ti ní issue pẹ̀lú Wonola. Talk about kí náà ń porúkọ ẹ̀ mọ̀mọ́ wọn lókè ọ̀hún. Talk about the Misoros. They all have issues with Wonola. So anytime Wonola is having issue with somebody, they will be. Ṣé I understand? Ṣé mo? Wọ́n máa bo ẹni yẹn. Wọ́n máa bo ẹni yẹn mọ́lẹ̀. So that wọ́n á fi ẹni yẹn jàjà tó ń bá Wonola jà. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Mama Sita àti Wonola is a very, very, very lè ṣaláì má rí irú ẹ̀ lórí social media wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, lè ṣaláì má rí irú ẹ̀. Ok, ọjà ti ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn. Àwọn èèyàn tó lè dá sí. Àwọn méjèèjì ò gbọ́. Ok, wọ́n sọ ilé. A lot of things were being said. I don't want to be going back and be going forward and be going back because me, right? We've done all the shows. But sharing nǹkan kan tèmi ò like ní pé the way people are now manipulating it to make Wonola look like the bad person. That is not it. I made a show, I said something, wait, don't use the word oppression. If Mama Sita said, Wonola said some meaningful things, some defamatory things against her, kí Mama Sita náà sue Wonola, ló bá tán. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, petition kì í pọ̀ jù. Don't use the word oppression. That is one thing I will not take because bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe why. Ẹ máa ń sá sẹ́yìn ìka kan ni. You are making it seem as if anyway Wonola is oppressing Mama Sita. No. Did you know prior to what happened? Did you know what was being said? A lot were being said. We all came out to apologize to Wonola. She should let this go. She should please. Everybody begged on behalf of Mama Sita. Shemo, go back to Mama Sita. The person you said they are oppressing. Did you see the show she made when she came? So don't bring that shit to anybody. So it's okay for Mama Sita to say all that. Even when she came, she even shake that I want to perform. Bye. She even tried to manipulate the public. People I want to cast don't flag him. Come on. Who is doing the manipulation and the oppression? Who is behind Wonola? Nobody. She stand by herself. Mama Sita is having the backup of Mama of our Mama Funi content of, even the army boss. So Wonola is standing alone to fight her battle. And she's the one oppressing. Think about it for a second. Mama Sita sọ pé òun ò need anybody. Òun ò need the apology. Òun ò ní kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fóun. Wonola did not gbégbá abára o. That's what they call life. You face it. But you trying to paint Wonola as the bad person when it comes to the two of them fighting. Don't do that. Don't let us do that. Emma jealous route here because my dirty go. Ara ìjà lẹ́yìn wà o. This thing can be avoided. It could have been avoided. It can be avoided. If you know that you are at fault, you admit you are at fault, and you apologize, we move on. You don't admit you are at fault, and they are calling you in your turn oppressed. Think about it. No, you are not being oppressed. If you are not admitting your fault, maybe she marry life nìyẹn. Pẹ̀lẹ́ ó lákọ̀ọ́ lóbì. If you admit your fault, because ọmọ yẹn ò sí ẹ jẹ́ àbẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run wa. Ọmọ yẹn ò sí lórí Facebook. Ọmọ yẹn ò wá fún anybody. If you say Wonola did this and did this and did this, she didn't do that on Facebook. Ó ní ó lọ sọ fún Dorcas pé kó send owó kan sí Wumi. She did not come to Facebook and bring out your business to Facebook. That was personal, where you could call her, can discuss your. But you brought the matter on Facebook and you started your Iwolo Bereo. You were not just going to oppress. I don't understand you people on Facebook. Mama Jarabuka. No work of rest and drag come over no now. Joko Snare no, but you ain't go Larry as the weaker target now. Ain't go Larry as the weaker target. You just come and say anything. Emma, one point, move back at demo. Omo sí lórí Facebook. Kò sí lórí Facebook ni Momo lọ attack ẹ. Kò sí lórí Facebook ni Joko Snare lọ attack ẹ. And now she's fighting back. So many things were said against her. She's only defending herself. Èèyàn tí Mama Sita sọ pé ó ní affair pẹ̀lú kí Mama Sita lọ prove ẹ̀. But you people claiming like, they are oppressing Nani, they are shaking it on it. Don't let us do that. Ẹ jẹ́ kó jà. Ẹ jẹ́ kó lọ sí court. I think at this point, the two of them understand that court will settle it. Even Mama Sita, according to the video she made, she's making it clear that she's not apologizing. What does that mean? So how is she being oppressed? She's making it clear that she's not apologizing. She even caused the people that apologize on her behalf. Ibẹ̀ mo ti change ẹ̀ fún pé torí ẹ̀ bá ń yí tájá bá ń sínwín mojú olówó ẹ̀. I apologize on your behalf because I feel like you're a grandmother. Your children will be disturbed, you know. I don't think you should it here now. It's because of your family, especially your children. Tó bá tì ẹ́ mọ́lé fún 4 days. Tó bá sọ pé ó fi ilé lára, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ń gọ́. So, but kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló mature to the point that tó máa realize pé I have people. Everybody should have just shut up and be like, kí ló kàn wá? Àwọn tó ń tì ẹ̀ kan lọ gbèjà ẹ̀ náà. Ó rí gbogbo àwọn tó ń tì Joko Snare. They were all quiet. They were even fighting that why did Dorcas even tell anybody? Wọ́n bá fi ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gbàgbé ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a gbọ́rọ̀ wa yìí. Cherry lórí ọ̀rọ̀, this is the one and the last video I'm going to do. Let them go to court. Let them settle it in court. Can anybody má fẹ́ nù sí mọ́? We don't want to hear from him. This one is this one that is at fault, that is oppressing. Is that one that is at fault, that is oppressing? We don't want to know. Anybody that can oppress, oppression is free. If you can buy it, buy it. If you can use it, use it. We don't want to know. Oppression is free. It's free oppression. Oppression is for sale. Tó bá lówó ẹ̀, get the fuck. Don't come here and come and be giving us sub story and kinikan. They are oppressing Joko, no bad donation for. Wonola is alone with children. Mean things are being said about her kids every day. I don't know, Shokuta now. If she can get the masses and Wonola can get the court, because never feel a baranja if you baranja could see anybody oppress anybody. If you know you cannot handle it, so the heat, get out of the kitchen. Why are you talking about her if you don't want to be oppressed? Ó dàbẹ̀ ni pé kí lọ máa bú Tinubu báyìí kí máa ṣépè fún kí máa ṣépè pọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ máa kú ṣé wọn ò ní gbé mi ni? Didn't I know what I was signing up for? Think about it. Did I not know what I was signing up for? Bó ṣe rí lórí Facebook, we just ẹ máa ń sún ẹ máa ń kọrí síbì kan. Anything you can use it, because if the case was, was reversed, if the power that one who has today, Joko ló ní, ẹ sọ pé Joko ó ní arrest one. So what are you talking about? Ṣé sọ pé Joko ó ní arrest one. But with her own mouth, she was saying, I'm ready for your court case. She said it with her own mouth. Ó dàbí bí Boko Haram ṣe ń sọ fáwọn Elégùṣì pé I'm ready for your court case. Ìgbà tó di court case sí, Boko Haram ò bẹ̀bẹ̀ kiri ni. Bí life ṣe rí nìyẹn. If you know you are not ready for court case, kí ló dé tó ń call for it? Ìgbà tó fún ẹ ń sìn bá wọn wá ní wọn oppress ẹ. No, you said you are ready for it. No, we are not going to do that. You came out, you are shaping for the people where they should not apologize, you are ready. At the same time, you are collecting donation. And now you they oppress. You that said that they should not apologize on your behalf. You they collect donation. And you say now you they oppress. Come on now. Come on now. Ẹ jẹ́ káwọn méjèèjì jàjà yẹn. Ẹ má dá sí. Àwa náà rò pé wọ́n oppress Joko tẹ́lẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n ti gbà tó jáde. So kò sẹ́nibody tó wọ́n oppress. Ìgbà tó jáde, ó ní matter 1 year, 2 years ló máa lò ní court, òun ti ready. Ṣé èèyàn tó wọ́n oppress ló sọ pé òun ti ready? We were begging because we thought they were oppressing her. Ṣé èèyàn tó wọ́n oppress ló sọ pé òun ti ready? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má dá sí. Ẹ má, ó ti late. Ẹ má dá sí. It's already too late. Kóbìnrin tọ́tọ̀ rìn, kọ́kùnrin tàtọ̀, ẹ jẹ́ àwọ ẹni tó máa lómi lẹ́ni ẹsẹ̀ jura wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni now, don't call out Wonuola. Leave her. Ẹ má pè, ẹ fi ilẹ̀. Ẹ má paint ẹ as èèyàn burúkú, ẹ fi ilẹ̀. Ẹ fọmọ yẹn lẹ̀, torí ọmọ yẹn kọ́kọ́ wá fún un. Jẹ́jẹ́ lọmọ yẹn jókòó tẹ ọ. Tó wá fún ọmọ yẹn unprovoked. Tó wá fún tó ń parọ́ mọ́. Torí gbogbo yín ò rí gbogbo gbà yẹn, gbogbo yín inú yín dùn náà ni. Inú yín dùn. Different group ló join Mama Sita nígbà tó ń bá Wonuola jà. Even ìgbà tó jáde gan, they were there, they were still bashing the cast that has nothing to do with this. So she's the one oppressed. You are sure? Wọ́n ní mo sọ kiri kan, à ń torí ọjà jà, ó ní ta ló ń jà lẹ́yìn kùlé o. Ìgbà tó jáde ẹ̀ rọ́rọ̀ burúkú tó jáde lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ni. I contributed money for her because we thought she was oppressed. When she came outside, do you see what she was saying? She's not oppressed. She's fine. Let us understand the difference. She's never oppressed. she's 100% okay. They're gonna Jajayan court now. Because she said she's ready for court case. She said it. So why are you people twisting everything around and putting it on Wonuola? It's unfair. It's very, very unfair. And you're going to oppress Wonuola. The way you guys move, you're oppressing her. You are oppressing her. If if Mama Sita said sorry, if I want Jara Buka, if they all come together, keep Bogoa come together, can put differences aside. Mama Sita to apologize. All of us can come together and apologize to Wonuola. Omo Wonuola, we accept. Egbagbe. But you are feeling bossy, you are feeling like Merlin. And then you don't feel like Merlin were oppressed. Rara, we are not going to take that. She cannot eat her cake and have it. Possible. She signed up for this. Now she's getting it. So let her get it very well. I said it. If she apologized, we all come together and apologize to Omo Wonuola. Oh my God now. Kò burú tó yẹn now. Ẹ wá ṣe bí pé Omo Wonuola ti burú jù. Ṣé jókòó bẹ́ẹ̀ ni? Ṣé jókòó apologize ni? Let's go back to the table again. Let's revisit that table. Did Joko apologize for everything she has said? And Wolu did not forgive. It will have made sense. In the federal game, Wonuola. Did Joko apologize? No. Instead, she was coming out, she was shaking that people that even apologize on her behalf, this should happen to them. She attacked Adabasioni from nowhere. Somebody apologizing on her behalf. She said, don't apologize for me. I'm ready for court case. So who is now oppressing who? Who is now oppressing who? So please, Emma manipulate. Manipulation on pay. Ati dàgbà ju gbogbo rádaràda yẹn lọ. Tó bá mọ̀ pé o fẹ́ lọ court, you come out, you apologize. You retract everything you've said. We will come out, apologize to on your behalf. And this will be buried to never be spoken about again. But you never did that. You want to oppress in your con. No. Ẹ jẹ́ á lo ọpọlọ. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ sọ àmọ́ gbọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, tẹ́ bá mọ̀ sọ àmọ́ gbọ́. Ẹ fà àwọn méjèèjì lẹ́m̀bí tó dé. Ẹ ṣàrọ̀ra lúgọ kẹ́ máa wo nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ fà àwọn méjèèjì lẹ̀ níbi tó dé. Ó yẹ ká wà fẹ́ gan. Bó ṣe ń dáwó fún Jókòó sílẹ̀ ló yẹ ká ṣe dáwó fún Ọmọ Wonuola. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ jẹ́ káwọn méjèèjì lọ fèsì ẹ̀. Bó ṣe ń dáwó fún Jókòó sílẹ̀ ẹ dáwó fún Wonuola náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Then ẹ jẹ́ wo ká sọ pé owó ni Wonuola fi ń kò sẹ́ni bọ̀dọ̀ tó fowó pùṣẹ̀. Ẹ dáwó fáwọn méjèèjì. Ẹ jẹ́ wá wo bí táwọn méjèèjì máa gbéra wọn dé. Ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ á máa lọ. But don't ẹ má máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kódà. Kódà. Abosi náà ń pè.